Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install the Microsoft Edge browser for HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. And to do this, we'll need to open up our app gallery. Right here, click on a search, enter Microsoft Edge. Select it and hit the install. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app. Right here, let's accept to the privacy notice. Here we can sign in to turn on synchronization. Also skip it by pressing on sign in later. Accept or not for data sharing preferences. Click on confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And from here we can start using this browser. So let's open Bing, for example. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.